Everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Lovepreet with me today. One of our online students, very first attempt in PT, overall 88, a perfect 19 speaking, 87 listening, 85 reading and 80 writing. Congratulations, Lovepreet, very well done.
Thank you so much.
Lovepreet, very first attempt in PT can be daunting sometimes. You have never done it before and you are studying online. Most of the students think that they cannot study online or it's challenging for them to study online. What do you think? What is the most important part? What we need to focus on in order to clear PT with 8 each, that too in the very first attempt?
There's so many things if you ask me. Strategies, of course.
Yep.
And then you need a really good time management, and obviously, you know, sometimes you might feel like you're doing it right, but you're not. So you really need maybe sometimes help from someone else as well.
That's right. So basically, you need someone else or an expert to analyze you on what you're doing right and what you need to work on.
I think you do, unless you really want to spend a lot of time doing it all yourself.
That's 100% correct. Lovepreet, was it challenging for you to study online, or do you think it was all right?
Not at all. In my case, not at all. I actually found it very helpful to be, you know, studying online rather than going in classes, because I was able to do so much more than, you know, than what was in the class. I think it was quite motivating to do it online, but yeah.
Yeah, you get a lot of time, you save time traveling and all, and that time you can invest somewhere else as well.
A lot. And also, like, with online classes, you can only like attend one session, and then that just sets you up, like, it just motivates you to do more, and then you can, you know, practice until you get tired, and then you can go to next session. And yeah, and that just gives you a lot of time to think as well. What did I learn in the class? And then make notes and things like that.
That's 100% correct, guys. Very important. Some golden points mentioned here. It's very important. You attend the practice session, you analyze and understand what you have been taught, you work on the same, and then move on to the next practice session. Lovepreet, you've taken a few mock tests as well, and being an online student, you must have spent a lot of time on the portal as well. How important is it to practice on the portal, and how important are the mock tests?
Mock tests are very important. Very important. If you are, you know, to be able to manage your time, you really need to do mock tests. The first time I did mock test, I literally missed 2 sections of the reading section because I was very overconfident. And then that's how I learned to do, you know, manage my time through mock tests. And then secondly, tutor feedbacks, they're very important. Sometimes we just feel like I'm doing it right? But it's not actually right. If you need correct form, you need mock test and you need feedback from someone who knows what's the best thing to do.
That's right, because when you analyze yourself, you think you're doing it right, but when you ask someone to analyze it for you, you get to know, yes, this is wrong, and this is wrong as well. So very important, you take mock tests, but don't just take and leave them. You need to make sure after the mock test, you ask someone to analyze it for you, tell you what mistakes you're making, so that you don't repeat the same mistakes in the test and get your desired score in the very first go. Lovepreet, before we wrap up, any final piece of advice for students studying online? What are the do's and what are the don'ts?
One of the, like, obviously you need strategies, you need a lot of practice, you know, but also one thing that often gets overlooked is to get your doubts cleared. You need, if you've got someone that you can take help from, it's great. But if you've got trainers, ask them anything. They've got a lot of knowledge. If you got any doubt today, ask it today. Don't leave it until tomorrow. And that could be, it just seems like nothing harmful, but it could be very detrimental to your schools because these guys know, you know, everything. I was naturally lucky to have good vocabulary, but some people just think I might just sound silly if I ask this question. No question is silly. Trainers will be they'll appreciate you for asking questions. So just use all the resources that you can, be confident. So many people have done it, you can too.
That's 100% correct. So many of the students have cleared PT with the very first attempt, and you can do it as well. But it's very important to make sure you don't have any doubts before you go for the test, because if you'll be confused in the test, you won't be able to perform to the best of your ability and you can struggle a bit. Very important, you take mock tests, you get the feedback, you clear all your doubt, all your doubts and you go and crack it in the very first go. Congratulations and all the very best, Lovepreet.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Lovepreet. Guys, remember this thing, if Lovepreet has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. You just need to work hard in the right direction under the right guidance and success will be yours. If you need any more help, any information, you can contact us on these numbers. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.